Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll take a look at a certain open source project which will allow us to create a bootable USB drive containing multiple operating systems, whether it is Linux, Windows, or anything you'd like. Now, with this tool, you don't need to format it every time there is a newer version of your operating system of choice, and you don't need to format it and lose data. And for the demonstration of this open source project, we will use this 16 gigabytes of USB stick. Let's begin. First, enter the USB stick into your computer. It will pop up, and as you can see, currently there is absolutely nothing in it, and the process may start. For this, open the browser of your choice and go to ventoy.net. Now this is the official site, and from here go to downloads. Depending on your operating system, choose either Linux or Windows. It also have the option for a live CD, however currently it is not necessary. I am using Windows, so I will download the Windows version, and it will take us to a GitHub page. Scroll a little bit further down and download the Windows zip file. Once it is downloaded, open the zip and extract the contents inside it. Open the folder, and it will take us to this little tool. Start ventoy2disk.exe, and it will start the process of creating a live bootable GUI. From here you can select the flash drive. Currently it is the only one inside our machine, so select it and click install. From here you have the option to add secure boot support, partition style, configuration. You can also delete the Ventoy EFI which will currently install. You can show all devices, generate a VTSI file, or we can permanently install Ventoy on this flash drive. Of course, we can select multiple languages, which is always welcome. Currently, English is preferred. Select the GPT, it is preferred, and click on install. Here there is a warning message saying that the device will be formatted and all data will be lost, so backup your items when you're installing Ventoy. Currently there are none files, so we'll just go ahead and click yes. This is a double check warning, it is not a bug, so click yes again, and the boot manager will be installed on our pen drive. It is going to take a little bit of time, maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Wait it up, and Ventoy is successfully installed on the device. Click OK, and here is a check which version of the Ventoy is currently in use from this USB drive. We can either install it again or update it. Currently it is the latest version, so there is no need for that. And we can go ahead and close this installer. From here, when we enter the newly created USB pen drive, all we gotta do is drag some ISOs. After all, this will be a USB created for multiple operating systems. Go to your ISOs. From here, mine are currently in the documents folder. Grab whatever you wish to have this USB on. I want these 3, so just drag and drop. It's going to start the process of copying, and this is all we need to do. Just wait a little bit. Alright, once the files have been successfully transferred over to the USB, we can close this window and restart the computer. Now, depending on your machine, you have to press F2, delete F machine to go to the boot menu. From here, just select the USB flash memory and press enter. Now, this is the current GUI of the bootloader that we installed in this USB, and from here I can safely select Linux Mint, Manjaro or Windows 10, whatever makes me happy and whatever I want to install. For the demonstration purposes of showing you guys that it is currently working, we will go with Manjaro. Just select it and you can safely boot from the USB. And we have successfully booted into Manjaro. With Ventoy, you can have any operating system you wish and have your personal files on there as well. And that concludes this video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you found this video useful, and if you did, consider subscribing for more such content. I'll see you in the next video.